Arutwo a cukuru wa Multimedia University matongoretio ni atongoria ao ni marutite mukana wa kururungana. Wana Vice Chancellor wa kahinda Professor Rosabela Maranga aaga kwamurwo gutuika Vice Chancellor mweru wa cukuru ucio.
Today we stand united in calling for the immediate confirmation of Professor Rosabela Maranga as the Vice Chancellor of this great university.
Yes.
Comrades, failure to which we will exercise our full power. We will stretch our legs careless, and if a police officer is caught in the process, if a member of satanic cults are caught in the process, we will not be to blame.
Arutwo aya ni maugite ati Professor Maranga ni akinyanirie ikiro ciothe iria ibatie na kwamurwo gwake ni gukuguna hanene uthii wa na mbere wa cukuru uyu.
Professor Rosabela Maranga embodies the quality of a distinguished leader and manager, and her confirmation as the Vice Chancellor presents Multimedia University with an opportunity to share in her expertise and vision.
Arutwo aya moretie kuhikahikwo kwa mutaratara uyu amuguikario kuoguo ni kuracokia mihango ya mathomo na thutha. Maugite urugamiriri moru cukuru-ini uyu ni ucungiririe mathina ta kwambatira kwa thogora wa irio cukuru-ini, kuingatwo kwa arutwo na ihoto ciao kwagirwo kiene, na Maranga nowe kihonia.
Increased food prices, increased hostel prices, suspension of comrades, obstruction of justice, and now Maranga is ready to take us to Southeast.
Makiongerera, arutwo aya ni maugite ati Maranga ni ahitukitio ni atongoria ngurani kuhiukia iturwa kiu, na riu marenda minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu kumuhitukia ari ta Vice Chancellor mweru wa thukuru ucio.
We urge the Cabinet Secretary of Education, Honorable Ezekiel Machogu, to simply confirm his appointment.
Maranga amurirwo thutha wa uria wari Vice Chancellor kurikia utungata wake wa miaka 10. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Titagwo Derek Gathombe.